Again, part 6 now, and we're looking at the first equation, logs. I don't think it's that too difficult to do. Number 2, another log thing, but the area between the curves, but that's probably going to involve some calculus, all right? Number 3, well, that looks pretty tough, actually. Visually, you could probably visualize this, but to count up the number of solutions might be difficult, by the way. But it's multiple choice. You could probably think about it. I would recommend a rough sketch before committing to an answer in that one over there. This one, another log equation, really doesn't look that bad to do. Who knows? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's really difficult. Number 5, or maybe there's a trick there. You're missing an answer, whatever. Number 5 is a system, 2 equations, 2 unknowns, and you have to solve it. All right? Again, strategy is I do write this up. This is the blue area. That's my typeset work. And then a video over here. All right? Doesn't look bad. Number 2, again, video, typeset work. Number 3, video. You know what? Really not much work over here. It just says a rough graph of the exponential and hyperbolic function on the same coordinate axis should indicate only one possible solution. A is the correct answer, by the way. So you know what? That's probably a good idea. Maybe graphing it out and realizing you got an exponential and a hyperbola, and they're intersecting at one spot. All right? Number 4, another log equation. I go through that. Looks like there's some work over there. Also want to point out there's a graph indicating that solution too. All right. Number 5, again, these things I find to be somewhat challenging. You're really trying to find out what X and Y is. And there are some restrictions on it, by the way, but bottom line, I don't really go into the problem thinking about the restriction. The problem is trying to see if I can manipulate and get an answer to it. Certainly I'd like to check these things, all right? But again, I go through the work, both video and written work, and I also put down a graph for you to take a look at, all right? This was a lengthy problem, though, all right? Lengthy problem, and there is a visual of it. All right, see the visual over here. And that's about it. Thank you.